You are welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question from topic LOCI, and we're to construct the locus of a point on the circumference of a circle of diameter 60 as it rolls on a smooth surface without skidding for one cycle. Now, in this type of question, at times you may be asked that you should describe, after you have constructed your locus, you'll be asked to name the locus. That what is the name of the locus? And that is very simple. Since it's saying it is rolling, it's on the circumference of the circle as it rolls on a smooth surface without skidding. Just know that it is a cycloid. So we should know that you are constructing a cycloid. So the first thing you're going to do is to draw a circle of diameter 60. Let's say this is our circle of diameter 60. Circle of diameter 60. Then we divide it into 4 parts first. Take this one, take it like this, take it like that. Now you divide it into 12 equal parts. Use the radius of the circle. You stay here, you mark out above and below. Stay here, mark it to the right and to the left. This one above and below, and here to the left and to the right. So you join all of them. Join them. And the last one. Now, since you are not told where it is rolling from, so we assume it's rolling from the bottom. So we label the bottom first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the next thing you're going to do is to determine the circumference of the circle. And how do you get the circumference of the circle? The formula is ID, which is 22 all over 7 multiplied by 60. And what would that give us? 22 all over 7 times 60. That's 188.5. Let's say 189. Approximate it to 189. So you measure 189. Let's say 189 stops here. You take it up at that point. And I can erase this one now. Now, the next thing you want to do from here to here, you have to divide into 12 equal parts. So you draw a scale line at any angle and mark 12 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after you have divided into 12, the next thing you're going to do is to use your 2 set square to divide, to transfer. So use your 2 set square. The first thing to do is to join the last one. Join the last one to the end of the circumference, like this. So after joining the last one, then you put your other set square underneath it like this. Place this one here, like this, and place the other set square. Maybe let me put it at the top. Put it somewhere here, and you begin to transfer like this. You need to slide. This. You need to transfer everything like this. So that's how you do until you're able to transfer all the points. Transfer all the lines. Transferring everything. So that's how you continue. Let me just remember to reduce the spacing of the video. So like this, and that. So we have all our divisions now. So the next thing is to now draw vertical line from all these points. How do you draw the vertical line? It's the same thing. Let me just do just 2. I'll put this one here like this and place it here and draw a vertical line. First of all, let me correct this one. Let me make this one very vertical. Yes, it's like this. So shift it to this place, give the vertical line, shift it like this. So that's how you continue with the vertical lines. So you draw all the vertical lines. This one will go up vertical lines using two set squares. Using two set squares, you draw vertical lines. The last one. Okay, after you have done this, the next thing is to now label your centers of the circle. This place you call it C1, the next one C2, then we have C3 here, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, C12, and back to C1. So now the next thing you're going to do is to use the radius of the circle to locate your point. So the radius of the circle is 30. So put the point here, and your 30 will mark it on horizontal line 1 here. This is 1. This is the horizontal line coming from 1. This one here. So you mark it on that horizontal line. Then you go to C2. Oh, we have not done the other horizontal lines. So from 2 now, draw a horizontal line to pass through 12. Like this, horizontal line. Go to 3, take it like that. Then 4 and 10 is already there. This is 5 and 9. Draw it on 5 and 9, like this. Then this is 6 and 8. Put it on 6 and 8, like that. So now let's continue. We have to draw horizontal line 2. You stay on center C2 and mark arc on horizontal line 2. Look at it here. This is horizontal line 2, this one here. So you mark arc on this point, on that horizontal line. So you go to C3. This is C3. 1, 2, 3. This point, mark it on horizontal line 3, which is here. It is this horizontal line coming from 3. Mark it on that point. You go to C4. Mark it on 4. This horizontal line 4. So you mark it on it. You go to C5. You mark it on 5. This horizontal line 5, so you mark it on it. Go to C6, you mark it on 6. Horizontal line 6, it's there. Go to C7, you mark it on 7. If you look at it, this is 7, so it's going that way. Now, when you immediately after 7, 7 is the middle. Once you get to 7, you know, all along we have been marking on the left hand side. Once you get to the middle, you begin to mark on the right hand side. So you go to 8 and mark it. You mark it like this, not this other way around. This is by the left, but you mark it to the right like this. So that is for 8. You go to 9. If you check, this is 8. You can see 8 here. This is horizontal line 8, so that's why we have it here. You go to 9 and mark it on horizontal line 9 like this. You go to 10, mark it on 10. Go to 11, mark it on 11. Go to 12, it will be somewhere here, and 1 will be back here. So you can draw your locus like this. So it will go like that. So that is your locus. So that's the locus, and the name of that locus is ellipse. So you can come across a question that will say, what's this distance between here and here? What does it represent? It's the circumference of the circle. Now, the next thing is to now draw. He said we should draw tangent and normal to the locus at a point 55 from the right hand side. So 55 from the right hand side. If you take note, this is the right hand side. So from here you measure 55. Let's say our 55 is somewhere here. Let's say it's somewhere here. Then you take it up like this. So whenever that point is intersecting the, you don't even need to draw this line. Let us draw this so that we don't get confused with this line. Just if you measure your 55 here now, put your t-square and put your t-square under and put your set square on it like this, and you mark the point on the locus. You don't need to draw the line because you are still going to draw a line in another place. I don't want the line to be confused with another line that we need. So just put your t-square and your set square and mark it on that point on the locus. After you have done that, the next thing to do is to now take your compass and measure the radius of the circle again, like this. Measure the radius of the circle You go to that point of tangency and mark it on the center line. Like this, mark it on the center line. Then at that point, you can now draw a vertical line downward. Draw a vertical line downward. So it will intersect the base at this point. So that point where it is intersecting the base, join it to that point of tangency, like this. So that will give you our normal. Remaining are tangents. So the next thing is to draw semicircle on the normal at the point of tangency. So you stay here like this and draw your semicircle and bisect it. You stay here, you mark arc, stay here, you mark another arc, and you draw it to pass through that point of tangency. Like that, that will be your tangent. So that is the solution to the question. Don't mind my own drawing, I did not use instruments. So by the time you use instruments, your home will look more perfect than my home. Take note, if you want to draw the tangent and normal, the first thing, measure the point, say from the right side of the locus, measure that 55. At that point of 55, put your t-square and set-square to locate that point on the locus. After doing that, you now use the radius of the circle to mark arc on the center line. You can see the center line where we have C1, C2 up to C1. So mark it. When you mark it here, now draw a vertical line downward. Where it is touching the base, take it to that point of tangency. That will give you your normal. And just do your semicircle on that normal and bisect it. It will give you your tangent. So that's the solution to the question. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.